Hi everybody, Courtney Roulston here. I truly hope you have had a wonderful Christmas and got to share some quality time and delicious meals with your loved ones. Now, none of us get through Christmas without the Christmas leftovers. So if you're looking for something a little bit different to do with that glazed ham that's looking at you every time you open the fridge, maybe you'll like my Christmas ham banh mi. Now I'm going to kick off my banh mi by making some really easy pickles. I have got some carrot and some Daikon radish that I've just cut up. So in here I've got some rice wine vinegar, some sugar and some salt, and I'm just going to pour that over the vegetables and we can set them aside for 20 minutes to pickle while we make the rest of our banh mi. The next step is to get about 300 or 350 grams of your leftover Christmas ham. Any bits of little fat or glaze is perfect because we're going to make this nice and crispy in a hot pan. It just smells like Christmas Day all over again. Go big or go home, I say. I'm going to make one big, long, massive banh mi, but of course you could do individual rolls as well if you wanted to. I'm simply going to split our French baguette down the middle. Don't cut all the way through. Now, a classic banh mi always has some pâté. I've got some store-bought chicken liver pâté and I'm just going to spread that along one side of the baguette. And on the other side of the baguette, I've got some whole egg mayonnaise. Now that the baguette is layered with pâté and mayonnaise, we simply can just start putting in our fillings. So our crispy Christmas ham. Now with the pickles, just drain them off and pop those in with the ham and do the same with the carrots. These add a lovely sweet crunch as well. Vietnamese food is all about fresh herbs, so I'm going to add on some coriander sprigs. I've got some really fresh cucumber ribbons. I like to turn up the heat a little bit on my banh mi, so I'm just going to chop a red chilli and pop this on the top. All you need to simply do now is to cut it into portions. You can cut it as big or as small as you like. That is my Christmas ham banh mi. Perfect to take to the park for a picnic, or you can enjoy it while you're at home watching the cricket. If you're looking for more inspiration on what to do with your Christmas leftovers, check out Coles & Co. I really hope you've been enjoying the What's for Dinner segments that we've been bringing to you throughout this year. For this full recipe and loads more What's for Dinner recipes, head on over to coles.com.au.